Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Install Zarchiver on Android 13 using the Play Store or a trusted APK file. Verify the app version before proceeding and prefer release 1, 0, 3 or later for compatibility. Open settings when Zarchiver first asks and grant storage permission and manage external storage. Accept runtime prompts so the app can read and write files across internal and external storage. Return to Zarchiver and confirm folders appear correctly. If a permission is denied, revisit settings and open Zarchiver and navigate to the folder containing your files. Long press one item to enable multi-select, then tap each additional file you need. Use the three-dot action menu to copy, move, delete, rename, or change file permissions. To compress, press compress, choose format such as zip or 7z, set encryption and enter a password if desired. To extract, tap an archive, choose Extract Here or Extract To, and confirm the target path. Monitor progress on the notification area and wait for completion. For large transfers, split archives by specifying a volume size, such as 100 MB or 2 GB. Enable encryption with AES 256 and set a strong password when creating secure archives. To open password-protected files, select the archive and type the password when prompted. Use the built-in file viewer to read text files or preview images without extracting. Adjust settings to show hidden files, change theme, and tweak performance options for faster browsing. Regularly backup important archives to cloud or external storage for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.